E3 has been providing diagnostic testing for new construction for over 17 years here in Nashville. Those services include designing upfront the mechanical systems of the home and fielding questions from the homeowners and builders about what needs to be included in the mechanical side of the house in order to result in the intended comfort and indoor air quality that everyone expects. Custom homeowners come into our office, sit at the table here with us, and we guide them through what their expectations are from the construction process, what they expect from indoor air quality measures at the end when they take possession of the home. And that process includes a design review, as we call it, and it includes diagnostic modeling, where we think through the variables of the house, and we include a formal mechanical design so that that file can be presented to not just us, but other mechanical contractors to ensure that the guts of the house actually get built properly. Trent here has been providing this service for many, many years, helping primarily a lot of semi-custom and volume builders. So Trent, kind of help us understand better what types of steps and what types of testing goes into your process.
So when we arrive on site, there's primarily 4 main tests that we do for the house. We will do the blower door test, which is testing the overall building tightness, evaluating the overall tightness of the building assembly. We do duct blaster testing, which is evaluating the leakiness of the duct system that's been installed. We test mechanical exhaust systems, such as bathroom fans, kitchen exhaust, things like that. And then lastly, we test any fresh air ventilation systems, which can be a ventilating dehumidifier, an ERV, or an air cycler in some cases. So we will come in, we will test all that, we'll determine those leakage rates and the exhaust rates, and then we can kind of evaluate from there what needs to be addressed. A lot of builders find a lot of value in that from a quality assurance standpoint, particularly if we come in before drywall has been installed. Oftentimes there's ductwork that has been installed in between floors. So coming in and doing the test to figure out if there are any issues happening in between the floors, it helps to find those issues before drywall has been installed, so you can fix that without having to tear drywall out after the fact.
But unfortunately, what happens in the market is that most people are just kind of guessing at what heating and cooling equipment to install. Mm-hmm. They're basically just using this on some sort of rules of thumb, but they are not going through the exercise of doing a systematic load calculation. And so Nathan on the team will conduct that detailed load calculation, the detailed duct layout, ensure that the right amount of air is going to be distributed to the rooms in the house. And then we can think through, like you mentioned, Trent, like the proper exhaust in the bathrooms and the kitchen. And then the other piece is this fresh air. We can make sure that the right fresh air strategy has been incorporated into that design, and that the builder has the specs and the details on how to integrate that fresh air strategy. And you'll end up with a product that is both comfortable and has good air quality, manages radon, manages humidity, and again, the associated systems are going to work correctly. So give us a call and we'll help guide you through that process.